The retainer holds the pin that secures your nail gun's trigger in place. The retainer is made of urethane, which can crack over time. When the retainer cracks or is lost, the trigger pin can fall from the gun, causing the trigger to fall out. Replacing the retainer is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the retainer from the pin. I'll use a punch and just push the pin through the retainer. The retainer will then stick to the punch. Now I can install the new retainer. It just simply presses onto the end of the pin. And that's all it takes to replace the retainer on your nail gun.